part 1 of this foundation series. So the reason why I want to do this is so that if you're searching for a new foundation and you're similar to my skin tone and you're in doubt about a couple of colors, I just want to show you how different foundations look on my skin tone, so you can have a better sense of what might be a good look for you. That is how I often search for shades when I shop online. So I hope you get something out of it and it helps you with your search for your shade. So I want to start with one from MAC Cosmetics. I feel like people often ask me which shade I am from MAC, so that's why I want to start with this one. I really like this foundation. It's very lightweight, but you can build it up. It's the Face and Body Foundation. I'm in the shade NC42, so you can use that as a reference. Let me moisturize my skin first. I'm gonna try to use this product in all of these videos. Do one side with a beauty blender and one side with a brush. This is very liquid, as you can see. Let me start with this side so you can see the color. I feel like you don't even see it, so this is a great shade match for me. So I live in the Netherlands and it's autumn now. We're in October, so in the summertime this shade is a little bit too light for me, but now it's actually really perfect. So I can use this in autumn, winter, spring, and also at the beginning of the summer. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'll do the other side now with my beauty blender. So yeah, as you can see from my skin tone here and the tone of my neck, this is now a perfect shade for me. And I really love and recommend this foundation. So yeah, this is it. What do you guys think? And if you have a foundation that you want me to test and show, please let me know in the comments and I'll try my best for you. I really hope you liked it. I hope you find it helpful. That's the most important thing to me. I'm gonna show you guys all of the foundations I have. Even when it's not the right shade, I still wanna show you how it looks on my skin tone. So hopefully it will still be helpful for you. In the next part, I'll show you the True Match Tinted Serum from L'Oreal. Hope to see you there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.